नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ रमन कुमार, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फार्माकोग्नोसी, फैकल्टी ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। Now we are started next topic, plant hormone and their application. What is the plant hormone? Plant hormone is an organic compound which is produced in one part of the body and it is translocated to other region where it extremely small amount. It induced definite physiological effect is called plant hormones. Plant growth hormone regulators are small, simple molecules or secreted in minute quantity that influence various physiological functions in plants. Plant growth regulator is also called as phytohormones या plant growth substance. Their chemical composition is first IAA, indole 3 acetic acid, next एडिनिन डेरिवेटिव जिसके अंदर है काइनेटीन एन सिक्स फ्यूरिल एम्यूनोप्यूरिन, थर्ड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कैरोटीन जिसके अंदर ए बी एस एबेसिक एसिड एंड टर्पीज इसमें जिबरलिन एसिड एंड गैसेस के अंदर हैं अपने ये इथाइलिन। नेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्लांट हार्मोन्स। बेसिकली प्लांट ग्रोथ हार्मोन को मैंने टू कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया है। फर्स्ट प्लांट ग्रोथ प्रोमोटर, सेकंड प्लांट ग्रोथ इनहिबिटर। कौन कौन से? प्लांट ग्रोथ प्रोमोटर एंड प्लांट ग्रोथ इनहिबिटर। प्लांट ग्रोथ प्रोमोटर में मेनली 3 हार्मोन्स आते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑक्सिन, सेकंड जिबरलिन, थर्ड साइटोकाइन। एंड प्लांट ग्रोथ इनहिबिटर्स, प्लांट ग्रोथ इनहिबिटर में मैंने 2 हार्मोन्स आते हैं, एबेसिक एसिड एंड इथाइलिन। ये 2 मेन जो हार्मोन्स है प्लांट ग्रोथ इनहिबिटर। नाउ वी आर स्टार्टेड फर्स्ट हार्मोन ऑक्सिन। ऑक्सिन बेसिकली डिस्कवर किया गया था चार्ली डार्विन ने एंड हिज सन फ्रांसिस डार्विन ऑब्जर्व दैट द कैलोप्टाइल्स ऑफ कैनरी ग्रास रेस्पॉन्स टू unilateral by growth toward the light source. After a series of experiments, it was concluded that the tip of the calotile is the site of produce of a substance that causes the bending of calotile. Oxygen was isolated by F.W. Bent from the tip of oat seeds. Isolation of oxygen. The word oxygen is derived from Greek word oxygen, means to growth, and the name was given to growth substance by F.W. Bent. It was first isolated from human urine. Biosynthesis of oxygen occurs by tryptophan amino acid in the presence of zinc ion IAA, indole 3 acetic acid and IBA, indole butyric acid has been isolated from plants. These are natural oxygen and synthetic oxygen are NAA, naphthalene acetic acid, 2,4-D, 2,4-dichloro phenoxyacetic acid, 2,4,5-T, 2,4,5-trichlorophenoxyacetic acid, IPA, indole propionic या pyruvic acid, PA phenyl phenoxy acetic acid. And next, oxygen के physiological effect and their applications. First, they promote cell elongation. Next, they promote cell division at root and shoot apex. Those promote apical dominance, that is apical bud, suppress the growth of lateral bud. Next, use they promote leaf abaciation, that is delay the seeding of leaves, flower or fruits. They do so by forming a separation layer at the petiole or peticle base. They also induce parthenocarpy, that is development of seedless fruit without pollination or fertilization. They differentiate the xylem and phloem. Next, hormone is gibberellin. Gibberellin hormone. First of all, Japanese farmers observed symptoms in rice seedling and called it the Bennett disease. Later on, it was found that it was caused by a fungus, Gibberella fujikori. Rice plant become thin, tall, and pale due to infection of Gibberella fungus. Yabuta and Sumiki were the first to extract a crystalline substance from the Gibberella function, which is named gibberellin. Isolation. 100 types of gibberellin given GA1, GA2, GA3, that GA100 are known. GA3 is the first gibberellin to be discovered, and it is the most studied form of GA5. Physiological effect of gibberellin: they promote stem elongation in genetically dwarf plants. They weaken dormancy of seed and bud. They induce parthenocarpy. They cause maleness in plant, thus help in sex expression. Next, breaking of dormancy, seed germination, fruit and flower enlarger. This is the main function of gibberellin. Next, hormone is cytokinin hormone. Cytokinin hormone are first discovered by Miller when he was worked on tobacco pith culture. He added the content of the old DNA to the culture media and observed that the tobacco pit callus growth for longer period. Isolation Isolation of cytokinin. Miller isolated an active substance from autoclave DNA from herring sperm, which stimulates cell division. He named the substances as kinetin. Kinetin does not occur naturally in plant. The first natural cytokinin was isolated from immature cork grain and name GAT. Coconut milk also perform activity like cytokinin, thus used in tissue culture. The next function of cytokinin, they stimulate cell division, cell enlargement, and cell differentiation. They prevent aging of plant parts. They suppress apical dormance. They induce femaleness in plants. They induce parthenocarpy. They promote resistance to plant effect by high to low temperature. They regulate morphogenesis. They help in breaking dormancy of many seeds. Thank you. Next, plant inhibitor hormones are studied for next class. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.